So here we are, 4:45, 5 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to herd test, which at this stage I think that just means taking milk out of the tits, putting it in these little vials, and then putting the lids, which we've put into that bucket, onto the vials. Now I could be wrong, we'll see, but we're in the middle of the ring, this great big carousel merry-go-round thing where the cows stand. Right in the heart of the operation of the dairy farm. This is where the magic happens, and it's going to smell like shit, literally. That's how we get in and out the stairs.
That's what we're doing. Just might have to slow it down for. I'll give that 1 week through. Fuck, I hope it's alright to keep going. Stay about 1 acre. Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy already. Oh my gosh, you focus on the wrong thing. It's only inching along. BJ, the lady in charge, was held up in traffic today because our roads suck. And so we were tasked with starting the job, which involves scanning the cow with the wand, which is what they poke up towards the cows, and then scanning the vial to match everything up. Scanning the barcodes, apparently it's not so easy. Cows are getting loaded.
We should just fucking wait for you. It's gonna piss me off otherwise.
Each vial has its own barcode, and its barcode connects to its cow. Scan it again.
Scan it to scan your cow, bro.
Oh, you did it! Invalid. No. Of course it's invalid.
Oh, you got it?
It'll come up. 3 down, 6:50 to go.
You get a pen and write bail numbers on there, eh?
Well, the cows know exactly what to do. Every day, twice a day. Look at this grand arena. It was foggy as hell this morning. So it's regular milking time, and they're putting the cows into the bales or the stalls, and the cups, I think that's what they're called, the cups onto the teats. And by the time they get around the carousel and off the other side, they will be fully milked for the morning, back in the afternoon, and a tiny portion gets diverted into the vials, those vials with barcodes, and that's what I'll be dealing with. The green flashing lights that you can see indicate that the cows are currently being milked. When they have finished, the cups fall off and the light stops flashing. Boring job. And by the time the cows get around to our little station here, they've finished being milked, they've finished being milked, and we collect the sample. Oh, they've got a proper stall, Rion. You need to upgrade next year. They've got a proper stall. You need to upgrade next year.
Let's just wash it on
Yeah.
the bucket. You get 4 legs around here from sitting.
Sitting on the bucket for 4 hours.
That's why when that comes around.
Yeah, chance to stand up and move.
Right, that comes our first glass. That's quite a way under. So you reach in, take this glass off, bring it out, put a lid on it.
Making sure the barcode's facing forward. A coffee? A coffee, yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'll put it on YouTube, send you a link.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How about YouTube channel?
Kakariki Creations.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
I'll send you a link.
Yeah, thank you. I will share it.
Yeah, cool.
Can I share it?
Yeah. God, it makes me dizzy. My eyes focus on the wrong thing and they start falling over. It's deceptively, yeah. Off-putting. Well, it looks straightforward enough, eh? By the time we've done 650. This is my view. This is what I'm looking at.
speeding up now, bro. Are we speeding up now? Speeding up. Yeah. Now are we speeding? Oh, I see.
Daylight now, we can see what's happening. There's only a small sample in this one. It'll be enough to weigh like a centimetre. I learned so much more than just the job today. I mean, obviously the job's not exactly complex, but I was taught a little bit about the milk testing itself. So although it's not a regulation requirement, it's a recommendation, and by the time they'd finished explaining to me all the things that you can actually test for from a little bit of milk, it was a no-brainer really. Like, why wouldn't you? They're mainly testing for milk solids, which tells you about the quality of the milk. I was informed that this herd is in the top 3% in New Zealand, which is pretty cool.
By creating an imaginary picture.
With the information they get from the milk testing, the farmer can make informed decisions on things like which cows to put into which herd, or which cows to artificially inseminate and which cows to put the bull across, which cows are reaching retirement, and a whole raft of other things. One of the best parts is that after 4 to 5 hours of work, you're done for the day and you're back home in time for breakfast. I'm a morning person anyway, so it's all good for me. I think I'll be back to do more of this.
So then, why?
Normally what I'm doing here is a one-person job, but because there's two of us and I'm being taught today, there was plenty of time to stand around and film what was going on. So about a third of the lids are done. Hard job, eh?
Not after the morning I've already had with stupid road closures.
Typically my phone didn't last and I didn't have access to a charger, but by this stage, I'm pretty sure you get the gist of my day. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did my first time in the ring.